PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the ABC 3340 Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday morning, the 25th, and a pretty decent day coming up today, but big changes coming up over the next 36 to 48 hours. Let's go first off to the water vapor satellite imagery this morning. And the big picture there, we've got a trough out over the Rockies, and that will be swinging out across the plain states later today, and will bring a round of showers and thunderstorms to Alabama after midnight tonight and tomorrow morning. Now, the temperatures have warmed up a little bit across the continent. Instead of that really amazingly cold air, it's, if anything, temperatures are a bit above normal for a change up north. And those folks really deserve a break. It has been a very, very tough winter, but looks like 32 at Chicago, where they'll sure take that over temperatures below zero like they've seen so much this season. Now, this is the expected rain around the country for the next 5 days, and of course, for us, almost all of this will be coming between midnight tonight and noon tomorrow. And this is suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. And that sounds about right. And then after that, the rest of the week should be relatively dry. Severe weather outlook. We've got a slight risk of severe weather today over much of Mississippi. And actually, this will be tonight. I say today. This is valid through 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. And a lot of this will be tonight and during the pre-dawn hours tomorrow. But most of Mississippi, parts of southwest Alabama, then back into adjacent parts of Louisiana and Arkansas. And we'll watch that, but again, more than likely those storms will be moving through here, anywhere from 3 until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning when the air is going to be pretty stable. I just don't think we'll have a big problem here, but we'll watch it. And then tomorrow, the slight risk shifts on down to the southeast over southeast Alabama around Dothan, and then down into extreme South Georgia and much of Florida. This is the big picture today coming off the 06 ZGFS, valid at noon today at 500 millibars. There's your trough off to the west, and today should be a decent day. Partly sunny, highs well up in the 60s, maybe touching 70 in spots. And there's our surface low developing around Wichita. Tonight at midnight, the surface low is near Paducah, Kentucky, with a developing band of showers and thunderstorms along the trailing front. 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, the surface low is near Cincinnati, and the band of showers and storms will be coming on through here. And at noon tomorrow, surface low near Pittsburgh, and most of the showers and storms are out of here. So you can see why we're kind of headlighting the primary window there from midnight tonight until noon tomorrow. And there will be some strong storms. Obviously, it's a favorable surface low position for severe weather, but the big question is the instability. If we're coming through at 5 or 6 in the afternoon, could be a different story, but we'll still keep a close eye on the sky. And then Wednesday, cold trough over the east, and at the surface, the thickness values are awfully low there, but with the lack of, the minus 30s and minus 40s Fahrenheit up there, that should hopefully keep us from being too severely cold on Wednesday. We think highs will be in the 40s. And, at some point there might be a few little backwash snow flurries. That's certainly something to think about. And I'll say this, I think tomorrow will be a day maybe with falling temperatures. We could be around 53 or 54 at 6 o'clock, and then we'll slowly fall all day. And then Wednesday will be below freezing in the morning. We'll forecast a high in the mid-40s with a clearing sky. And again, maybe a few flurries somewhere up there in the Tennessee Valley or North Alabama, but that should not be a big deal. Thursday, the surface high is pretty much over us, so Thursday morning we should be below freezing, but a nice warm-up beginning Thursday afternoon. Now, Friday, the end of the week, the 29th, leap year, Got a pretty good-looking shortwave well to the north, and at the surface, here comes a cold front Friday. This is at midday with a surface low up there near the Great Lakes, and that might bring us a shower or maybe a little brief thunder Friday evening or Friday night. I don't think that'll be a big rain event, though. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, that thing is long gone. So I think that looks good to us, and we'll mention that, the chance of a shower or storm Friday night. And then the sky becoming mostly sunny on Saturday, and then Sunday looks like a dry day as well with the rain action north of us. Now, a week from today, here comes a good-looking front there, north and west of the state, and a week from tomorrow, that's an interesting look. Big old deep cutoff developing over Louisiana and Arkansas, and that's suggesting a pretty big rain event there. And again, we've seen a lot of different looks on that. We've seen some looks with a surface low farther north and a severe weather threat. That just looks awfully wet, but we'll see. Again, that's a week from tomorrow. And quickly, at the end of the forecast period, the 11th, good-looking negative tilt shortwave and wet and stormy there. And as we've talked about for weeks now, the pattern looks very active and changeable. So not too many dull moments in the weather office for a while. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.